There we go.
Nice.
Feels like a good one. It's, I think, a pike. Yeah, oh no, it's a smallmouth. No, it's not that big actually. You don't need a net. It's probably fine. Decent one, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. I'll flip him. It's bigger than I thought, actually. First smallmouth, guys. Not a real big one. Caught on that white spinnerbait. See him back.
They felt strong for one pole.
Yeah. Well, that's how. Yeah. Double. Oh, that's a good one. Nice. Whoa, that was cool, guys. First good fish of the day, and we just had a double. Lost one nice one. He's only hooked in the back hook. This is scary. Man, he's a good fighter. Nice. Alright guys, first good smallmouth of the day. He's not super big, but he's a good fish. A little smaller than I thought he was, but he's still maybe 15 inches. Great fish. Getting back in the water. Oh, thank you. There we go, perfect. No, little guys, get off there. Dang it. Stupid fish.
Okay.
You got him? Nice, that's a good one, yep. That's a good one. Yeah.
Oh, look at someone's going at him. A whole school of them. Holy cow. There he comes. Oh, under.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, that's a nice one. Alright.
Nice one, dude.
Sweet.
That is awesome. That's a good one.
Yeah.
That's definitely the one I saw.
Man. Oh.
Man, that's a good fish.
Yeah.
Alright guys, he's got a nice bass, 19 incher. Do you want to weigh him? Or,
Sure.
Yeah, well, let's get a quick weight on him. 2 pounds, 8 ounces, 9 ounces.
2.5, huh?
Here, I'll take him real quick.
Yep.
Alright, another quick look at him. Real nice smallmouth. Let's get him right back in the water.
We get a photo of
Yeah, I'll screenshot. There we go. Man, there's carp everywhere. Ooh, it's the pike. Good, he barely got it. I was worried at first he was gonna, you know, with these little X-raps, that wouldn't be hard for him to snap my lure, or snap my line.
nice one.
Yeah, nice little pike, guys. Alright, once you're done, dude. Without losing my rod. Alright guys, not a huge pike, but a good one. So, let's get him back in the water. Big one.
Biggest stick of the day.
It's so big. It's the biggest one. Did you want to measure that?
No, I found
You get a picture or something, anything?
it. Pretty hard though.